Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it's Thursday. Um, Thursday, and it looks like we have. So you can see yesterday after we had the big FOMC meeting, I was able to catch, um, a lot of this big trade right here, and then was able to catch more down when it came back and retraced to this level, showed respect again, rejected the daily um, supply and demand area up here. And now once we broke through this R2S zone right here, we could see that it used, before it was using it as support, broke through it, and now used it as resistance, right? So simple supply and demand area. Let's see, lower low. I guess technically a higher high, right? Since this high is higher than this high, you can see price came down, retested this ILC, then pushed up to the upside, right? That's exactly why. Higher high, higher low. What's up, puppy? Why you awake so early? Why you awake so early? What's up? What's up, boo? Pound it. Pound it. Oh, you still tired, huh? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pound it. Fine, whatever. Lower low, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower than this high, lower low. So I think this was the break of structure right here, right? And if we do, I'm pretty sure this is like at the golden zone area, maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, right at that golden zone, 70%. Do something like this. You can see there's a clear rejection here, right? Now this is a daily support level right here. You leaving? All right. Hey, what's up, Trav? What's going on, man? So this is the purple is daily support, and this is the 4-hour support right here, right? So you can see it basically came down to the zone and pushed off of it. Now, one thing I see is we got a little bit of a resistance to support building here too. Here, let's just call it to here. I mean, I guess it could go a little lower, but I think it gets the gist of getting everything right here. So I think now that we had the confirmations to take the trade here, now if we miss that, now we have confirmations to take it off the trend continuation, right? So here's the retrace confirmations. Now the trend continuations, well, we're obviously in a downtrend, right? So we identified the trend, resistance to support, right? We got support, resistance, support, right? Support, resistance. We can see that it's in here now. So identified that. Do we have an engulfing candle with a nice push down? We do, right? You can see these engulfing candles through here, right? Boom. And if we go to the 1 minute, what's up, boo? What's up? What's up? Love you, man. Have a good day. Um, change this to bye, mama. You're okay. Nobody wants to hear that, my boy. Here, put on your cool sunglasses. You want to see the car? Do you see any engulfing candles through here? Sorry, guys. So you can basically see that. I don't really see the engulfing candle right now. Let me check the 15 minute. Okay, yeah. So right here is the engulfing candle that signals that downtrend, right? Boom. And then we have this one as well, right? So we got the signal. I'm tripping. We got the signal that there's that confirmation, right? That we got that big impulsive move to the downside. Big impulsive move. You're over dramatic, bro. So there we got that. Um, Damn, both my kids are awake way too early. Okay, so now what we need is we need price to come back and retest this IOC or this resistance to support, right? And it's broken through it. Now it needs to come back and retest. Good morning, baby. She went to school. Um, so now we needed to not now that it's broken through, we needed to come back and retest this. And I think that's where I'm going to take my trade. I like the EMA in here. I think the 15 minutes in here, right? Yeah, we got the 15-minute in here. So I just like what the ILC's got for us right now, or what the R2S is showing inside of the EMA inside of the R2S, right? So get that in there. 7 o'clock. So if I wanted to take this trade, I think it would have to be something like that, minimum. Let's go down to the 5 minute. Oh, let me see the 30-minute real quick. Yeah, so perfect. The other thing that we have is that, the trend's basically following what the 30 minutes given us, right? So we had a key rejection here on the 30-minute, right? Along with the resistance to support. Then we had another key rejection right here on the 30-minute, right? Key rejection. Not exactly touching it, but enough to know that, okay, everything looks like it's coming down to the downside. So now all we need is a break and a retest, and we could possibly see this thing. I would say match this. I don't know if it'll necessarily break it today. Oh, you know what? We did have. Um, I'm about to get in this funded program. What was I gonna go to? Forex Factory. Unemployment today, I believe. Let me see here. Unemployment claims were lower than expected, which right now, oh, yeah, lower than expected, which is good for right now. But I know there's something going on with unemployment that we need to see a little bit differently. But either way, I would take it basically down to this level, and I think that'd be a solid, 1 to 2.5 trade. Okay, so NASDAQ, I basically see the same thing. A little bit more clear, right? Because the second rejection happened in here. Got the retrace. Everything right there. We got the R2S forming right here, right? Bring it down to that level, R2S, right? We got the EMA. So I'd be looking for a retest here too because this actually broke the daily, right? So this broke the daily, came up. So one thing I'd be looking for is for this to break this. Hopefully in the next 3 minutes, we see it break below here. If it breaks below here, it's the same concept, right? If it breaks below here, now we've broken the lower low, gives us that extra confirmation that price is coming down, even though it's basically coming down, right? And then if we could get the retest back up here, and we'd have something like this, 60 pip stop loss, we could see this thing. I would take this trade a little bit lower just because we have a clear break of the daily, right? Breaking through here. And you can see why this area is highlighted, right? And yeah, I think we could break below, but let's just say that. That's a nice 1 to 2.5 as well. Um, I think we could see that. Now, I think realistically, you would need it here when it comes to this particular trade, just because we know that this area is being used as the resistance, right? And it's being used up here as well. So there's a good chance that it could break into here, into this 4 hour time area again. But I think I would keep it as short as possible, 60 to 150, and we could possibly see it push down a little bit more. So let's see what setup the market gives us in the next 2 minutes. If it breaks, nice. So it broke the low right there, right? So I like that. Let's check out US30. US30 still hasn't necessarily broken the low. Um, I think I do like the NASDAQ a little bit more, if I'm just being real. So let's see if it gives us an opportunity with the retracement back up. It needs to retrace about 60 pips. I think they have the same confirmations, right? I just think it's a little bit more clear with this low being broken. Rejection at the ILC right here at the 70%. Um, broke below, retrace, broke below again, creating that lower low. So I think hopefully we get something to push back here, and then we could see it break past this. And I think this 27% is going to be a key area, right? Around 100 pips, 95 pips, I would assume. 90 pips, I would assume there's going to be a key area to take profit just because you can see what's happening right here, right? This little support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance. I mean, yeah, you get what I'm saying. So, yeah, let's see if we can get the retrace back up, and then hopefully we could take this thing back down to the downside. All right, it's go time. Get your phones ready. I like that it broke it though, so let's see if we can see it retrace a little bit back up into our zone. Here's the 5 minute. See the 15. Yeah, so they're basically in the same area right here. So it could reject this, come back down, but it looks like it's coming back up to us. Could reject the 1 minute EMA. Put a little sell in right now. Whoa, crazy. Let's see if we can get the move down that we want. A little bit lower than I was hoping. And like right here. Didn't put a big one in because I want to wait for this area to get retested right here. So little one in now, bigger win in hopefully right here. And then I think we could see it come up to the zone that we want it to come up to. See if we could get that push down maybe right here. I don't think so though. I mean maybe. Let's see how this next candle right here reacts. There's a bunch of dust on my right there. Go. Yeah. So what I see is this kind of being used as support right here. Now that it's broken through the 20 EMA, is being a little used as support right here. But we'll see if it gives us what we want, and take it from there. Okay. Let's see if it breaks through here. This is a key area right here. Not getting the push down like I wanted to, but let's see. I'm at about 13 pips. Yeah, it's rejecting that zone, but I like that it broke through the broke back through the 1 minute 20 EMA, right? But this is a daily right here. So now that it's broken through the daily, let's see if it can break through again, right? It's not getting the push that I want. Oh, look at that. I mean, like I said, if it pushes up to the zone up here, I want to see it reject up here as well, right? So let's see if it gives us the opportunity to reject from here. Turn it down, baby. Yeah. I mean, that sure looks like it's coming up with this engulfing candle on the 1 minute right here, but you never, oh, shit. But so just from what I'm seeing is these wicks up, and this engulfing candle up, but I mean, that kind of just, and you can see it's right off of this R2S zone, right, that we drew out just a little while ago. But I don't like these rejections, truthfully. Um, it's too many off of this daily, right? So I think I'm going to keep my stop loss a little bit tighter than expected, and we'll see what the market gives us. Okay. Another key level right here, right? Let's see if it can break through here and give us what we want. Turn it down a little bit more, baby. Yeah, turn it down a little more. At 20 pips. Um, I I want to lock in some profit, but I think we got to break through these two things right here before I can. Um, it's still respecting the zone. Got to break through here, finish through here. Got to finish through here. So there's a few areas that it has to finish through before I could even consider it breaking through here. Yeah, see that? Honestly, I gotta kind of think that after a big move yesterday like that, see where the 5 minute ended up. Maybe consolidation and a push up is in the cards for this. This, because this is the key level right here, right? And it's not breaking through it necessarily. If it doesn't break through it this time, I think the trade's going to be kind of invalidated. If it keeps respecting this zone right here, I think it's going to be invalidated. Let me see something on my other screen. I mean, US30 is showing a little bit more promise than this one is. But we'll see. Hopefully it gets to do what we want it to do. Like that. But it has to break through here, right? Still hasn't necessarily broken through this bitch. Okay, let's see if it can break through here now. It's key. Hold on, baby. minions and more. All right, we're in business right here. Let's see if it can continue down. We're about 30 pips right now. I'm gonna move my stops to break even though it's kind of not where you should move your stops to break even at, and put it down at like 599. 598. 86 pips. All right, let's see if we can break down. Remember, right here is a key level right here, so we'll make sure to take some profit right there. How many pips is that? Right here is at about 52 pips. How many pips is that away from there? Oh, and I hope that wasn't a retrace like that. If you want to take profit, take profit. You know what I mean? It's never any profit's good profit. You know what I mean? And then once you master taking profit, then you got to master fucking. Um, Once you master taking the profit, I mean, just take profit because you just need to take profit. That's really what it comes down to. You absolutely need to take profit. Um, it's key. It's important. Um, in my opinion. Because again, when I was just starting out, I was trying to figure my way and figure out what type of trader I was. At the end of the day, we're scalpers. I'm a scalper, and if you're on here with me, trading with me, you're a scalper too. So you just understand that we're in trades for seconds to minutes, maybe an hour or two, but for the most part, that's it. You know, let's go. Let's go. Take some profit. Remember to take profit. Oh, shot up on me. That was crazy. The foot. Okay. Take some profit now. Just pulled out a .03 out of my .1. That took me to 157 for the day. And now my next TP is going to be around here. Stops at break even. Take profit, take profit, take profit. I think my ultimate goal is going to be about right there. So let's see what we got. Let's go, man. If you want to take some more profit, take some more profit. I just took some more profit. Now I have half my position running, pulled out half, secured $300 on my end. And let's see if we could get down to our real TP down here. I like that price broke below here, right? So now we got a clear break of structure. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Even though this was a clear break, and this is a clear break, this is a clear break. Now if we could get it down to the downside, we'd be looking good. Up about 80 pips. Pushing up a little bit, which I think is okay, but just gotta stay in the trade, right? Oops, trade. Again, I like that price broke through here, but it's still a key support level, right? Resistance to support level. Let's just draw it out so we see it. So we could see a retracement here because this is a key level, right? Support, resistance, resistance, support. But see if it can just continue our way. Again, I'd like to get to this 61.8. That'd be lovely. But we'll see right here. Cool. Up about 73 pips or something like that. It's a key area, right? So hopefully it doesn't retrace too far up. Let's see where the 1 minute 20 EMA is at on some midways. Again, that's why we take profit, right? As a scalper, because we're not catching the big moves, we're catching the small moves, right? So not small moves, but we're catching, like this move is a small move, right? We basically took this move off the 5 minute chart. So when we take moves off the 5 minute chart, it's kind of like, okay, well, how would I say it? Just got to understand that the retracements are going to happen. We're going to see 30, 40 pip retracements, and it's just what happens. So I pulled profit out, not as much as I'd like, but at 300 right now, I have about 230 floating right now. My position's in at 11,601, so we're about close to 50 pips up right now, and yeah, we were up 80 pips. So the difference is I was up 400 bucks on that position, and I didn't pull it, which would have taken me to 700 for the day. But I do think it's coming down a little bit more, hopefully. I like that reaction on that last candle right there. I think the 15-minute looks good too. Yeah, the 15-minute, we got this huge wick, big bear body, breaking this low right here. I think it looks good to come down. I could be wrong, but I think it looks good to come down. see if we get the push down. I'm gonna see a bit of resistance right here too. So hopefully it comes down here. Let's see though. Come on, come down here. There you go. Come on, keep coming down. Keep coming down. Yeah, it's not a great risk to reward ratio on here, but you know, I'd say one thing. A lot of people are right, and it's something I got to get better at with the risk to reward ratio and making sure that you have a proper risk to reward and you're actually completing it right. So a lot of these pro traders do what I don't do, which is and what I need to get better at is they don't take profit at 50 pips and at 60 pips. They don't do that shit. They take profit when it gets to 120, which is cool, but I'm not there yet. I got to get there. So, hey, there you go, Trav. Happy to see you TP'd. It's only a matter of time, man. If we just, I mean, I believe this, and I think anybody took a while for me to figure it out, but we just keep showing up every day. I think we should be seeing results. Like, you know, if we're basketball players and we're showing up to the gym every day, we're taking shots and we're doing what we need to do and taking care of business to perfect our craft and master our game. Um, it's just life. You're gonna get better at it. You know what I mean? Like you're gonna get better at it. So I think if we just keep showing up every day and learning every day and charting every day and putting in the work every day, just keep showing up to the gym every day. It's only a matter of time, right? And this is like a real skill that anybody could have. You don't got to be 6'5". You don't got to jump out the roof. You got to be fast. Um, this is something that everybody could do. So, and it's really just a game about mastering yourself, mastering your mind, mastering, you know, all of it, right? It's just a mastering of self. So I think that's the dope part about this game. You know, I just secured another point zero 0.02. Um, really just because of this small little IOC right here. Like I didn't even touch it, but secured another 174. I'm gonna move my stops a little bit farther into take profit or into profit. I'll probably move it down to like 587. Let's just call it 580. Yeah, 588. 587. Something about this level is respecting the shit out of it. So I just secured 477. Let's see if we could get this thing flowing down a little bit more. I mean, it looks like it should still come down, but you never know. See what the woman is doing. It's just respecting the hell out of this area. 23 seconds. If it could finish real bearish through here, I like that a lot. Like, yeah, come down here. Finish, match these. This weird. Come down here and match that. Finish that. Come on. Come on. Man, that shit's still pushing up. Seems like there's a lot of buyers in this section, right? Like a lot of people are buying here. Which I could see why they would want to buy here, but Um, I kind of did that the other day. I bought when I should have been like in sell mode, but I was just overthinking shit. But I could see why people would buy right here, if I'm being honest. Mm, I got about 220 floating right now. I pulled a .02 out. That's at 477.03. I moved it about 13 pips in the profit. 13 times 3, that's 36. That'll put me to 500. So even if it comes up and takes me out at my stop loss, I'll still be clearing 500 for the day. So I'm actually not mad at that. Um, if I'm just being honest, not too mad at that. And yeah, let's see. I don't want it to come up, but yeah. See if this thing can continue down. This is a key level right here, though. Seeing as soon as it tapped it again, shot up. But let's see if it can use this as resistance and come down now, right? Resistance, come down, hopefully. As you can see, there's a lot of buyers in this area right here. I don't know. I mean, I know why, but it's definitely a lot of buyers in this situation. Mm, looks like it might be coming down. There's still a lot of time, right? 40 seconds left. Um, it could break through right here and just come up on us, and then it could be retracing up to the 50 EMA, right? So it breaks through, gets to the 50 EMA, comes respects the 20 EMA, breaks up, respects the 20 EMA, and you'll see that happen. I've just really noticed that like a couple weeks ago when following the trend because I just don't hold my trades long enough, right? It's an issue that I have that I'm working on, just not holding my trade long enough. Um, it is what it is, but the one thing that I know I need to get better at is as long as it's respecting these EMAs and it's really just following the trend, then we're okay. See this area though, man, I don't get it. You know what? I'm gonna just secure another .01 real quick. That put me at 550 for the day. Now I got 150 floating, and I'll take that because 550 for the day sounds better. Comes all the way up on me. I'll make 575 instead, which ain't a bad day. I'm gonna make you breakfast right now, okay, guys? Oh my goodness. Uh, uh, uh. Let's go. Looks like it could be making its way down. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Something about that zone, man. And guess what it hit? This ILC right here. Right on the 5 minute. You could finally hit it. Yeah, tapped it, shot the fuck back up. That's crazy. Well, either way, we got our stops where they're at. We got to take profit where it's at. Hopefully, it comes down and gives us that. Um, Honestly, I kind of feel like just being done for the day, so I could go get my kids ready for school. um, Truthfully, I just closed my position, even though it's probably the wrong move to do. But that put me at 700 for the day, 711 for the day, which I'll take. And yeah, it's a good day. Um, Not as many pips as I would have wanted to catch, um, but we still caught, and that's all that matters. Let's go. About to hit that 100 pip mark. If you guys got it, you got it. See, I have a real bad tendency of doing that shit too. Where I'll just pull it up here. I've been waiting through all this shit for like 20 minutes, right? And then I pull it when it comes back up, and then it does that. That shit is hilarious. Hilarious. Something about that motherfucking level right there, but another winning day. I already pulled my trade, baby. Let's go. I know we hit 100 pips though. Let me see this. Oh, 99.8. That shit literally would have missed my take profit. Mama not here, dude. Mama's not here. I'm coming, dude. I'm coming. I'm coming. You don't gotta cry, my boy. That doesn't mean you're probably just tired, huh, man? About to hit that 100 pip mark. That's all I want to see is it hit the 100. Oh no. It just keeps moving from that 100 pip mark. Well, either way, I'm done with the trade. If you guys are still on, I appreciate it. But we're done for the day. It is what it is. Um, hey, you can hear it, right, Marlon? This dude's on another one. So I appreciate you guys. We're able to make some money. I hope you guys were able to make some money with me today. Thank you for tuning in. It really doesn't go unnoticed. Show some love on the Instagram page and show some love on the comments too and like it. I'm just trying to get this shit going. All right, man. All right. All right. Hey, you guys have a good one, man. You be doing way too much, my boy. You be doing way too much, my boy.